Okay, hi you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good week. Now, excuse me, if you were on Facebook last week, I put out a post on Everything Paper and Glue, our Facebook group, and also an art journal group that I'm in about what to do with these chipboard accents. I had no idea and I was looking for suggestions. Well, apparently a lot of people don't really know what to do with these chipboard accents. So I came up with this cute little um, chipboard clip on a clothespin. And look how cute that is. I got some stamping on there. I glued it down so you could put it on a bag. You could put it on a ribbon for a gift. You could put it just about anything. You could use it as a bookmark in a book. That would be really cute. So the ideas are endless. And if you went like this and you tilted it this way, you could put uh, a recipe card in there, and that would be cute too. So what I did to create this real quick is I took the items off of the chipboard sheet. I used my anti-stick pad and I took the sticky off of the back. I took apart my clothespins just like this, just so easy. They're easy to take apart, but they're not so easy to put back together, that's for sure. So we have those apart. Then I painted them with white paint, and I used titanium white paint and just a regular brush. Went ahead and painted all of these. I don't have to show you that. You can figure that out. But what I do want to show you is this good tip. Use a glove and then you don't get paint all over your hands. Easy, and lay them out, let them dry, okay? So when you have them all painted and they're dry, I took stamps, and I have this box of little stamps and different ones, and I used archival ink in an orange blossom and a jet black archival ink, and I stamped on them and then I put them back together. Look how adorable they are. Very adorable. So put them back together. And like I said, that is kind of the hardest part, is getting them back together. But I got it done. And then we're going to assemble these. Set this aside. And it's really a quick and easy embellishment. You just have to decide where you want to put the um, things. And after you put down your anti-static powder to get rid of the stick, it's just as easy as putting some liquid glue down. I was using this Glossy Accents because it really, really does a good job sticking. Just clean that out. And you just put it down like so and adhere it to your clothespin. Now you're going to need to let that sit. I let them sit overnight, and then it's stuck really, really well. So you can use them on anything. Use your imagination. A cute little present, even like I said, a bookmark. So let's do a couple here. Look at how cute this rake and wheelbarrow with leaves are. So adorable. And then I will have links in the pictures, I'm sorry, pictures in the video at the end so you can see how they all turned out. Absolutely adorable. Look at this bicycle. Oh, so cute. Super cute. All right, well, now you have some ideas what to do with all of these chipboard pieces. I hope you I hope you got a good idea out of it. And now get your chipboard pieces out and get creating, because once I started using these, it was endless, the possibilities. Now look how cute that's going to be. All right. Hope you liked it. Crafty quick tip on the way for you. And have a great night. We'll see you next week, okay? Next week, I'm going to start a little 3-week series. My top 10 things for card making, my top 10 things for mixed media projects, and my top 10 things for art journaling. So those are my top 10 tools, things of that nature. So let me know below in the comments if you are going to like that. I hope you like my video today. Leave a comment and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And we will check back with you next Thursday. Have a great week. Talk to you then. Bye.